मुबारकबाद हो सर जावेद आपको, इलियाना, द लाइब्रेरी, Honorable Consul Chaudhary, Galapen, other guests. There are some speakers at the back, some onlookers at the back who probably don't understand what's happening. But look, whenever Pakistanis get together and whenever a Spanish guest hosts them, it's a very important occasion. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगता है. As I was telling Mr. Javed Mughal, every day I find out about the services that he has done for Spanish, Catalan and Pakistani society here. The Urdu sections are 5 times more than the English sections in this library. Very surprising. And one of the books that I laid my eyes on, my Catalan and Spanish guests won't be familiar with it, but it was Bahishti Zevar, right on top of it. So it tells me since when you have been importing books from Pakistan to this place. I have been to libraries across North America, all over the US, in Canada, Toronto, everywhere. I have never seen more Urdu books than this library. So it's a unique honor. और मैंने इनसे इजाज़त लिए बगैर और इनसे साइन किए बगैर, आपने देखा होगा, चक्कर चला के किताब उठा लिए साथ ले जाए. उसकी वजह यह है कि मेरे जो दोस्त हैं, especially some of them here, Imran, you have never taught me Spanish or Catalan. I need you to put you into prison. Javed Mughal Sahab into prison, Iqbal Sahab into prison, because they're such good friends and they haven't taught me any Spanish or any Catalan. And I'll leave this place after 3 years, 2 years, and I will still not learn Spanish.
लेकिन आपने वादा किया था 1 साल के बाद आप बोलेंगे.
23 मार्च को वादा पूरा होना है. It's such a feeling. All of you probably take this architecture in your stride. You've seen it many times. For somebody who spent his life in North America, this is absolutely marvelous. People would pay dollars and euros to come and see this and to have such a library here. And then in libraries across the world, right when in the body of the main library, you don't have public ceremonies like this. This is the inclusiveness. Ye inclusiveness is Spanish society. You can have it here. In most libraries of the world, you will have a very stern, matronly looking librarian who everybody is afraid of. She's going like this, keep quiet, with a stick in her hand. And when I came here and I saw her, I told her librarians should be like you, doctors should be like you, such a warm and a welcoming person. I could go on, I could speak for 2 hours, but then the Turks will kill me. So thank you very much, everybody, and congratulations. It's a unique honor.